This time we're going to play another march, and this march is entitled Constant Melody. Now again, it's two hymns, and the first one is I Have a Song That Jesus Gave Me, and the second one is No On His Wings. The name of the march is Constant Melody. Sorry about that there, it's a wee hiccup, but that happens sometimes, so we'll have another go at this Constant Melody.
Thank you very much indeed. That certainly was enjoyable to listen to. We'll be hearing you again in a few moments. I just want to give out this text here, 077 326 99137. I think Victor will be playing later on, or is there one more to go here? Yes?
Well, Victor's going to play a few pieces on the electronic accordion, and as you can appreciate, if you hit the wrong note in an electronic, something else comes up. So that's what happened earlier on, but I apologise for that. But Victor's going to play a few pieces later on.
Well, we'll just announce this text here again, 077 326 99137. And what did you think of that there, Tom?
I thought that was very good. And folks, please remember we're only playing hymns today because it's the Lord's Day. We're going to play Great Is Thy Faithfulness by Sailor Now.